Have you ever had a delivery vehicle back into your roller shutter? It happens frequently. Delivery vans and lorries can accidentally cause damage, leading to quick disruptions. At HVP Security Shutters, vehicle impact is a common reason for emergency callouts in the southwest, including Devon, Cornwall, and Somerset. If this has happened to you, help is just a call away. Why does vehicle damage occur? Busy loading bays and tight schedules can lead to accidents. Limited visibility can result in bent guide rails, dented slats, or jammed shutters. Even minor collisions can make your shutter inoperable, compromising security and halting operations. Common types of vehicle damage include bent or misaligned guide rails, dented curtain slats, jammed mechanism, and damaged shutter boxes. Electrical faults can also be caused by impact. At HVP Security Shutters, we understand the urgency of securing your premises. Our team is available 24/7, ready to provide emergency repairs for all types of vehicle damage. Our fully equipped vans allow us to resolve most issues on the first visit, minimizing downtime. If your shutter is hit, do not force it open or closed. This can worsen the damage. Keep the area clear to prevent further accidents and contact us for a rapid assessment and repair. Why choose HVP Security Shutters? We have decades of experience in emergency repairs, a 24/7 call-out service, and fully qualified engineers. We are ISO 9001-2015 certified and Constructionline Gold accredited, ensuring transparent pricing and clear communication throughout the process. If a delivery vehicle has backed into your roller shutter, don't let the disruption linger. Call HVP Security Shutters today for immediate, professional repairs.